Hello and welcome. When you open the tailgate, to remove the rear bumper on either side, there will be a fairly large torque screw that you'll need to remove. The wheels are not on the car, however, they do not obstruct you from removing these two Phillips screws and one torque screw to the top. It's just easier for me to record the video and show you. If you get a smaller screwdriver, you'll still be able to open or unscrew these screws. Just to show you, there is a cover over here on the guard liner on either side, where if you remove this cover, you do have access to the screws for the fog lights and one or two sensors. You can remove this cover by pressing onto the tab here and then pulling it off. As you can see, you have access. You do not have to remove the guard liner or the bumper completely to change these fog lights. This is just some extra information for you. Underneath, there'll be another Phillips screw. And then gently, you can pull the bumper out. Gently, just pull this side of the bumper out. Do not pull it out completely. Underneath, there are two plastic screws that are Phillips. Sometimes they do not unscrew properly, so you'll need to use a clip remover. And there are two of these that you'll need to remove. Now the same thing for the other side. This time we'll start with the bottom Phillips screw, and then I'll use a small screwdriver. The wheel wouldn't obstruct you from removing these screws as long as you have the proper tools. And then finally the torque screw over here. And now we can completely pull off the bumper. Keep in mind, it doesn't always come out this easily. So you might need to just wriggle it a bit. Do not apply too much pressure. And you can see it comes off quite easily. And then what we need to do is to unplug the fog lights and the sensors. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.